So this was me a few months ago. My hair was thinning. I was thinking of what exactly I should do to bring my hair back to normal. And here, this is me now. My hair is fuller, bouncier, thicker, and my strands are super fortified. Therefore guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you a recipe that you will use to grow your hair back. If your hair is shedding, if your hair is thinning, and you're looking for a way to bring it back to life, guys, trust me, this recipe I'm going to share with you in this video, if you use it once every week, if you use it once every single week, you will say goodbye to all your hair problems, and I am serious. So guys, this same recipe transformed my hair, and I want you to enjoy all the benefits. It will keep your hair in a growing phase and make sure that you're not losing excessive hair fall. So if you're ready, let's get right into making the recipe. So to make this recipe guys, you're going to be needing onions, ginger, and garlic. Guys, these ingredients are packed full with sulfur, and sulfur we know is a building block of our natural hair because sulfur helps to strengthen our hair by boosting keratin production, promoting hair growth, and maintaining a healthy scalp. So this is why you should try this treatment, okay, because it's going to help to keep your hair in a growing phase, making sure that you're not losing any strands. So guys, I also want to share some benefits of onions, ginger, and garlic with you as I peel and prepare my ingredients. So let's talk about the benefits of onions for your hair. Now, onions, we know already that it is rich in sulfur, right? Onions can also help to strengthen our hair strands by improving the elasticity of our hair and preventing breakage. Onions can also help to promote blood flow to the scalp. If you're suffering from a dormant hair follicle, onions will help to bring your hair back, your follicles back to life. Onions is also high in antimicrobial properties. What this means is that it can help to combat dandruff, any scalp infection that you might have, and it will help to create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. All right, plus it helps to add volume. You saw how thin my hair was, and you saw how my hair added in volume. Guys, onions is the secret to what you just saw. Okay, now let's talk about ginger for your hair growth. So ginger contains active compounds that helps to improve blood circulation, encouraging hair growth. Now ginger also contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce dandruff, soothe itchy scalp, and promote hair growth. Now ginger also helps to strengthen the root of your hair. We know that if the root of your hair is not strong enough, if the root of your hair is not healthy, it is not going to bring forth a healthy hair, because then the hair that is going to come out from a weak root is going to be weak as well, which will be prone to breakage. Now that is why you are going to introduce ginger to your hair, because ginger will help to strengthen your root and make sure that the hair that is coming out of your hair roots will be strong. Guys, I hope I'm making sense. Like, I'm excited to share this recipe with you all. Now ginger also helps to prevent dryness and keep your hair hydrated. So now let's talk about garlic for your hair growth as well. Garlic is also rich in sulfur, and garlic helps to keep your scalp clean. Garlic also helps to boost collagen production by supporting the formation of new hair strands. It helps to reduce breakage by reinforcing your hair shafts. And guys, when you combine these three ingredients together, you will be able to say goodbye to hair loss, hair thinning, breakage, shedding, whichever hair problem that you have, even scalp infections, plus add volume to your hair. So if your hair is thinning and you're thinking of what to do, please don't go and cut your hair yet. Give this treatment a trial. Use it once a week for 3 months. Guys, be consistent, because consistency is what is going to make a difference. If you're not consistent, you might not see results, but if you're consistent with this treatment, you're going to see results. For example, I did an onion challenge for 7 days, and when I came back of that challenge, my hair was never the same. That's what I mean by consistency. Okay guys, so the peel from this thing, please don't discard it. You can use it to make a hairspray for your hair as well. Now that I'm done preparing, now that I'm done peeling, let's go ahead and blend it. So I'm using a blending method for this treatment, but you can choose to boil yours if you don't want it to be very potent. So I'm going to just slice and chop up my ginger and onion so that it will be easy for my blender to blend it, and then I'll put it in my blender, add water, guys. guys, please just add a little bit of water, drinking water, okay? Add a little bit of drinking water so that you'll be able to blend it with ease. And then I'm going to blend. Guys, you can choose to blend this to a very smooth paste or not, just depends on you, okay? But here I blended mine to a smooth paste. So guys, I am done blending, and now I am going to sieve I'm going to strain it to extract my juice. And the juice is what I actually need for this recipe, okay? So I'm going to add water so that I will be able to, you know, rinse my blender properly. Guys, don't be afraid to add water, but don't add too much water, because I want this recipe to be very, very potent. If you don't want yours to be, you can add water. All right, you can just use water to dilute it, like add enough water if that is what you choose to do, okay? And here, this is what the chaff is looking like. You can use this chaff to make oil, guys. You can use this chaff to make potent hair oil, trust me. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this juice into a sprayable bottle, and now our recipe for unstoppable hair growth is finally ready. So that how you can use this treatment, you can use it before you wash your hair or after you wash your hair, but make sure that your hair is not super dirty. I mean your scalp. Make sure that your scalp is not dirty in such a way that the nutrients in this tea will not penetrate. So if you leave your juice for a while, you will notice that it will settle down at the bottom of your bottle. Please shake it properly before using. Shake it to make sure that everything mixes together before using, okay? Because those white things that settle down are still nutrients that we need for our hair. This juice is so potent that the first time you apply it, the first time that you spray it out of your bottle, it will feel like it's choking you, but don't worry. Don't worry, it's just the gas coming out of the bottle because it has been covered for so long. All right, as I was saying before, please make sure that you put that your hair is not too dirty before applying this treatment, because we want this treatment to really penetrate and do its job. So if your hair is dirty but you want to apply it before washing your hair, as I'm using it in this video, I'm using it as a pre-poo in this video, what you can do is to go to your shower and let the water run down, then use your hand and just, you know, massage your scalp to release all the build-ups and excess dirt on your hair, okay? And excess oil or dirt, whatever. Just use your hand to scrub your scalp and then reduce all the excess dirt and let it just run down. You're doing this just to free your scalp and make sure that this juice will penetrate and, you know, do the work that it is supposed to do, which is helping to solve all these hair problems that we mentioned earlier. And if you do it this way and you do it once every week, I want you to come back to this, or I want you to come back under the comment section and just type your testimony, because I believe you are going to be giving testimony at this point. Okay, now guys, please, if you're watching up to this point, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is the only way that you can support this channel, okay? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're looking for a way to grow your hair without breaking the bank. If you believe in DIY and you're looking for a way to grow your hair without breaking the bank, this channel got you covered. In this channel, I share recipes, different recipes that will help you to bring your hair back to life, even the ones that are safe for children and for adults as well, okay? And I'm telling you, this particular one, please don't use it for your child. Don't use it for a child under 2 years. Don't use this recipe on a child under 2 years, okay? If you're going to use it for your child, please dilute it. Use it for a child 2 years and above, and please dilute it. To be safe, you can boil it, okay? Just cut it, slice it into pieces, put it on a stove and boil it. All right, boil it on a low heat and you will still get all the nutrients that you're looking for. Please don't use this way for a child, because this thing is hot. You're looking for a way to stimulate hair growth. You're looking for a way to increase blood circulation to your scalp. As an adult, use this on your scalp the way that I've shown you in this video. You're just going to notice how it will seem like as if your scalp is on fire, but it's a good fire though. It is not the one that will burn you, but the one that will help stimulate your hair growth. All right, it will help to stimulate. I'm telling you, if your hair follicles are dormant, this treatment, I want you to try it and be consistent with it. You're going to see results. All right, and you will just notice me cutting my hair. I am not actually cutting my hair like I told you guys earlier. My hair was thinning. My the ends of my hair was pleated, so I decided to gradually transition back to healthy hair, and that is one. And trimming my staggered ends is one of the ways that is helping me to achieve that. Okay, all right. So guys, another thing that I want to add is, don't use this treatment as a detangling treatment. It cannot help you to detangle your hair. It does not have any slip, so it's best that you detangle your hair before using this treatment, unless you're already a pro like me. In this video, I'm not saying that I'm a pro, but I've mastered my hair so much that I can use anything to detangle my hair. So as I was using it as a people, I was also using my finger to detangle and comb through my hair. All right, but if you're not gentle with your hair, you might break your hair. This treatment is not a detangling treatment. It is a treatment that will help to fortify your hair. If you want a detangling treatment, please try okra, aloe vera, fenugreek seed and flax seed. Okay, this will help you to detangle your matted hair. All right, so now that I am done with applying this treatment, I really poured everything on my hair because we are not going to be leaving anything. I did not save this treatment. You can choose to save it for up to 5 days in your fridge or not. Okay, so then after I finish applying everything, I'm going to cover my hair with a double cellophane to trap in heat, and I'll still go ahead and tie my hair down. If you have like a, I think, hot cap or steaming cap, you can use it to cover your hair for up to 30 minutes and then you wash it off. Because I'm not using a steaming cap, I covered my hair for 1 hour and then I wash it off, and then I follow up with my shampoo and my deep conditioner, just the normal routine. Because this treatment, I used it as a pre-poo. And here comes the end of this video. Guys, if you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. And with that, I will see you in my next one. My name is Favor. Compliment of the season to you all, and bye.